NATO's eye-in-the-sky aircraft are helping keep an eye on the war in the Ukraine. The AWACS planes have seen a substantial increase in Russian activity. You know, the aircraft has been moving around the last few days, so there may be a change in their tactics. Everyone's been saying that they haven't been dominating in the air like everyone expected them to. And second, they haven't dominated cyberspace, which there's a belief that a lot of private industry companies are the reason for that. See, NATO's AWACS aircraft are patrolling Allied airspace in Eastern Europe in the wake of Russia's attack on the Ukraine. NATO's Boeing E-3A Airborne warning and control system aircraft have a distinctive radar dome mounted on the fuselage, which allows the crew to survey the area of more than 300,000 square kilometers, about the size of Poland. It's amazing space.
Mission is threefold. By flying over Poland today, we're defending the alliance, so we're ensuring that no unidentified aircraft enter into NATO territory. We're deterring aggression. We do not want anybody to be aggressive towards NATO. And then we're assuring our Eastern partners that we're here watching their back to ensure they're not surprised. So since the invasion, our ops tempo has gotten higher at MOB Geilenkirchen. We're definitely flying more than we usually do. However, our actual mission has not changed. Our radar has a range that's over 400 kilometers, so it really depends on where we're orbiting as far as how far into any country we can see. But we can see far enough into both those countries that we can protect our NATO partners and they will not be surprised by anything that's flying in their vicinity.
There's been a lot more activity with our job. We've been more productive than we typically are in order to ensure that we're always ready if called upon and to keep an eye out on everything that's happening and provide good updates for intel. Personally, it's really good to be involved with everything that's going on. We're really looking to solidify NATO relationships, make sure that we're going out there to do the job and support any way that we can. And it's good to be a part of